Hey y'all, so we're gonna start this morning off with sausage breakfast casserole. So right now I'm doing my sausage. I have like 3 different types of sausages up in here, and everything will be down below what I am using for my sausage breakfast casserole. So we're gonna go ahead and get this sausage cooked on down like so. And I'm gonna tell y'all some of the stuff I'm using. So I'm gonna use this Jiffy buttermilk biscuit mix. I got me some hash brown potatoes. I'm also going to use, okay y'all, so here's some of the stuff I'm going to be using. I already mixed up my Jiffy buttermilk biscuit right here like so, so it's already ready to go. I got me some pepper jack cheese right here. I also have cheddar jack cheese. I got a half a cup of milk for my eggs. I got 3 eggs. I'm using canola spray for the pan. I'm also using some hash brown potatoes. Okay, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this sausage cooked down like so. Yes, y'all, this smells so good in my kitchen, y'all. Oh, I love the way this sausage smells. But it's gonna taste even better. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this cooked down, and I'll be back. Okay y'all, so I added me in some vegetables to my sausage. Y'all, don't that look so colorful and so delicious? So we're gonna go ahead and get this sausage. Just add some chorizo too. So I'm gonna let this chorizo go ahead and cook on down, and I'll be back to show y'all what we're gonna do next. We are making sausage and hash brown casserole. So I'll be back, y'all. Be back. Y'all, listen to that sizzle. Y'all like that sizzle? Yes, baby. Alright, y'all. Be right back. Okay, y'all. So I got my biscuit in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my sausage like so all across my biscuits, and I'm going to continue to do this process, and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay y'all, so I've got my sausage in the pan. So now I'm about to work on these eggs. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and beat these eggs real quick. Beat the eggs, and I'm gonna add in some milk. That's what we're gonna do. And this is a half a cup of milk and my eggs like so. We don't want to beat them too much, y'all. We just want to make sure they're nice and blended. Okay, I'm gonna add a little pepper to my eggs like so, and get that mixed up. All right, y'all, I'll be right back. Y'all, so I got in my hash brown potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little garlic powder on top of this. I'm gonna sprinkle a little pepper just to give the potatoes, you know, a little flavor, because, you know, we don't do blandness over here, y'all. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt, just a little bit, y'all, just a little bit of salt. Okay, because I did season my eggs too. So I'm about to go ahead and pour this eggs mixture. I did 3 eggs and a half a cup of milk. So we're gonna pour this all around like so, y'all. Bear with me. All around. We don't want it in one spot. We want the eggs to seep right on through them biscuits. And y'all see how it will come out? It's gonna be so good, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let me add my cheese. Hold on. So I'm gonna add some cheddar jack cheese to this. Okay, y'all. Hold on real quick. Okay, y'all. So I'm adding some pepper jack. I mean, not pepper jack. Cheddar jack, y'all. I'm gonna also add some pepper jack to this too. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there. So hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Hold on for a second. Okay, I'm about to add some of this pepper jack, like so. Hope y'all can see that. This is gonna be so cheesy and good, y'all. And I got my oven already preheated at 375. And once I get this in there, I'll be back to let y'all know how it came out. Okay. Also, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. See you in a minute. Okay, y'all. So here is my hash brown casserole. Breakfast casserole. Breakfast. Okay, y'all. So here's my breakfast casserole. Don't it look so tasty, y'all? Let me go ahead and cut it for y'all. Be right back. Okay, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. My breakfast casserole. That's the hash browns you're looking at. Don't that look so good, y'all? Yes. You might as well say it's a fully loaded, okay? Fully loaded casserole. So let me go ahead and try a piece. Let's see what that's looking like. Y'all look at that cheese. That cheese looks so good right there. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Oh man, you want to come apart, but I want to share with our friends, the cousins. Okay, want to share with the cousins. And this the biscuit, y'all. Look at that biscuit. Homemade biscuit, y'all. Look at that. That looks so good. Let me get a little sausage, some cheese, and some hash brown potatoes. That's what we're gonna try right here. I know it's falling apart, y'all. But let me try some. You know what? Yeah, that biscuit's off the chain, y'all. That buttermilk biscuit. Better get you some. Make you some. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. I gotta take another bite. Look at that, y'all. Oh, that goodness. That's some egg up in there. Ooh, this is good, y'all. I always put my foot in it. Like I tell y'all, put my foot in it. Alright, catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.